There's a fish on it. Whoa.
How big is it?
Oh, it's a nice one.
It's big too.
Cool.
Okay, it's getting like super windy over here.
Okay.
I'll go over to the boat launch. We just lost power.
Oh, okay.
I'll go to the boat launch to help you guys out, okay?
Whoa. Whoa. Careful. All right, Ryder, you ready to go fishing? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Fish Guy Josh. He's my son Ryder, and this is father-son fishing. Today on the channel, we're heading back out on the old trusty Cajun pirogue. We're going to try our hand at jug fishing again, except this time we're doubling our jugs from 15 to 30. In addition, we're going to set some of these homemade crawfish traps that Uncle Ruby made for us. See if we can't catch us some crawfish on those. Should be fun. Should be an adventure, and we're gonna do it all.
We're kids.
All right, Ryder, we ready to load this puppy up?
What's puppy up?
Puppy up means the boat is the puppy, and we're loading it up.
So I'm going first.
Oh, you are? Okay, I mean, you're gonna probably have to get there at some point, but not right now. How you feeling? Good. Good? Okay. Got a lot of stuff, Ryder. So we got a lot of stuff.
Behind over there.
Which thing?
Right there.
Well, I gotta sit right there. All right. Huh?
Put those ones somewhere.
Which ones? These?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna man them for us?
Yeah. So nobody steals.
So nobody steals them? I don't think anybody's gonna steal our homemade crawfish traps, but you never know, I guess. Man, we are crowded, huh? Pretty crowded. Whew. Yeah. We're crowded in the boat. We are crowded in the boat.
We might even fall in.
I hope we don't fall in. We got a lot of stuff though, huh? The crawfish traps kind of pushed us over the edge. I guess I could have left the ice chest for now, but there we go. Well, we left a little later than I wanted to, but still earlier than last time we tried, huh?
Still pretty high.
The water's still high?
Yeah, but we're having a good time.
We're having a good time. Yes, we are having a good time, buddy. Is the boat cushion better this time? Huh? It's what? Yeah, it's better than the hard seat? Okay. All right, buddy. Let's see. We need a trap. We need to make sure we puff it up enough that the fish can, maybe the crawfish can get in there. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then we got our hook here to open it up and put our bait in there. Need a new bait bag and a piece of bait. Why what?
Why do you need a bait bag?
So we can set some crawfish bait in there. We're gonna use some of this mullet that we were gonna use for gar fishing. We'll use some for this. Sound good?
Can I see?
Yeah. See? We got some cut up mullet in there. We got our...
We went fishing with Uncle David.
Uh-huh.
Look, and I found a water bug is being our buddy.
A water bug's being our buddy? Cool.
I hope he follows us where we do every single trap.
Oh yeah? Alright, we're gonna put it right there.
And why did you wrap it all the way around that?
Just to make sure it don't go anywhere. Alright, now let's do that on the other side. Other what?
How come we have
Oh, I had some in the... This way, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Garlic together. Oh, that thing. Alright, let's go on this side over here. 1, 2, 3. New tree down in front of us. Much better that time. That one was even easier. That one's already got a fish on it. Grab it, grab it. Pass it over. Ooh, there he is.
Ooh, yeah.
We got one. Sweet.
Yeah.
We got one, Ryder. Nice. Should we let the first one go for luck or keep him?
Keep him.
Well, it's gonna be a while. How about we let the first one go for luck? Let's let the first one go for luck, okay?
Okay.
All right. Plus, I gotta get the ice chest ready. Woo! Oop, I'll get it. I got it. Oop, this one's got a fish on it.
Oof. Or stick on it.
Hmm?
Or stick.
No, I felt the fish. There he is.
Whoa, he's a
Nice.
beast. We got one.
We did. Little channel cat.
Channel cat is crazy.
We got him, buddy.
Let's keep him.
Keeping him? Okay.
He's flapping like crazy.
He's what?
He's flapping like crazy.
He is flapping like crazy.
Did you make room in the ice chest?
I did.
I only have the fish on it.
Just does. It's a little one though. Wow, what a tiny fish. What a tiny fish. It's so small. We shouldn't even keep it. It's so small. Wow. All right, Ryder, this one's gonna have one on it. Are you ready?
Did it run away from us?
It is gonna try and run away from us. You gotta hold it hard, okay? Whoa. Other side, where'd it go? Oh, there it is, there it is. Grab it, grab it. Grab it, here, grab it. All right, wrestle that hog. Nice. All right, hold on, it's got a stinger. There we go. Nice. Woo! Good job, buddy. Sweet.
He said, "Let go of me."
This the keeper one? Oh yeah. That had another fish. Oh, it was a little fish. A little guy. Well, I get this tiny guy off. He's so small.
Smaller than the other one we caught.
Can you grab it? Can you grab it? Grab it, grab it. Oh, I got it, never mind. Oh, there's a fish on it. Whoa.
How big it is?
Oh, it's a nice one.
It's big too.
Cool.
Big one.
Yeah. That was a good redemption, huh?
Eat a good one. Does that tail sting?
Nope. His fins do.
I think he wants to be let go. But we're gonna keep him.
All right. Got it. Whoa. 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 He's making me soaking wet, Ryder. That was a good one. Whoa. Sweet,
Catch him
dude.
in the bucket.
I know.
That was a crazy sound. You want to go?
Dude.
That meow means keep him.
That meow means keep him? Okay, Kitty Ryder. Kitty Ryder wants to keep you? Cool, dude. Give it a big thumbs up. All right. All right, get there and grab that fish. Grab it, buddy. All right, you feel it? Is it stuck or is it coming?
It's coming.
It's coming? Whoa. Whoa. He tried to run away from you. Okay, grab that. Now, grab the string with one of your other hands. Yeah. Oh, is he stuck in the trees? Let's see. Did he come loose or is he still there? Oh, he's still there. Yeah, wrangle that sucker, Ryder. Yeah, buddy. Pick him up, hand him to me. Careful, they got stingers. Yeah. Ah, little guy. But hey, good wrangling. Nice, dude.
I used my hat like a shield.
Do you use your hat like a shield? Cool.
You were crashing into my hat. This
Nice.
guy's little, but he's big.
He's little, but he's big. No, he's pretty little. Too small. All right, my friend. We're about to start the pickup process.
Here's our sign.
There's our sign. You're right. That sign means into the road. Time for us to start picking up jug lines, huh? Last take that big time, right? Big time. You like going jugging? This is fun, huh? Yeah? I feel like we got a little better at it this time, huh? Than last time?
Yeah, we got better at the wax.
Yeah, we're getting better every time, huh? Let's call her back.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, baby.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're good. We were picking up right now because there's a little thundercloud coming over, but I think we're still not quite under it yet. So we're picking up our last jug lines right now and starting to head in.
Okay, it's getting like super windy over here.
Okay.
I'll go over to the boat launch. We just lost power.
Oh, okay.
I'll go to the boat launch to help you guys out, okay?
Okay, that's fine. And if it starts raining, we're gonna take shelter under some trees or something. So
Okay.
don't.
Well, it's raining right now. How
Okay.
far
Well,
away
over
are you?
here it's not, but yeah. Okay. Let me get back to it then. All right. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Where is it raining?
It's raining at Mom's house. Okay. Put this back in there. Very carefully. Okay. We might get soaked, buddy. 'Cause it is raining over at Mom's house, okay? It's not raining here, but it's raining at Mom's house, okay? So, if it starts raining, don't freak out. We're gonna get under a tree and let it rain for a while, okay? 'Cause it's getting dark, huh? Whoa, yeah, good call. Good eye.
That one's even bigger than the other one.
Yep. Whoa, here comes the storm. Whoa. That's a big storm coming. Woo! You what? Yeah, me too. Whew. Kind of came out of nowhere, huh? Crazy town, eh? Whoa! Whoa! Careful! All right, we're gonna take shelter. Okay? Because it's starting to rain. We're taking shelter. Okay? We're gonna go under these trees. Okay? Here comes the rain. You just stay calm, all right? Oh yeah. All right, watch for wasp nests for us, okay?
How come we parked in here?
So we can get out from the rain a little bit. Okay? You okay, buddy?
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Just got a little crazy for a second, huh? But we're okay. Buddy, you are being very brave. Very brave. You don't know why what?
A storm came.
I don't know, it just popped up. Because it takes a little time to get to us. Oh, here comes the big rain.
Rain on us.
A little bit, not too much.
What are you doing?
Okay. Dad's got to pick up this camera gear because it's getting wet. Okay. Buddy, you are doing awesome, my friend. Awesome. I don't know what I did to deserve such a good kid like you, buddy. More rain coming. All right, we're gonna turn the camera stuff off and wait out this storm, okay? All right, it's the day after the storm and another storm is right around the bend. I actually have maybe an hour before the rain hits, so I'm trying to come back and get the stuff. Ryder and I had to leave yesterday during that storm. We left our crawfish traps and I did lose one jug line in the fray there during the storm, but we made it through safe and sound. And man, Ryder was just an absolute trooper. Thunder and lightning sometimes make him nervous at the house, and as y'all saw when we shut things down, there was some pretty gnarly weather on the way, and he just sat there under that tree where we took shelter, and he was awesome. I made the right call to wait it out and not try and paddle across the water in the heavy rain. With the thunder and lightning, we run risk of the boat filling with water, but also getting struck by lightning. So we stayed put. Everything worked out well. The only thing I would have done different is we got kind of wet for a while there under the canopy when the drips came through, and I had totally forgotten that my emergency pack had a emergency poncho. So I used that on Ryder to keep him dry while we were waiting it out. But we had to turn the camera off because things got a little bit more serious. So as the person in charge, I had to make sure we were safe above all other things. So camera equipment got picked up, but things were awesome. We made it through okay. As soon as the lane read up, we booked it back out to the boat ramp and made it in safe and sound. And now I'm gonna go check those crawfish traps and see if I can find that last jug line. All right, phase one. Found the missing jug line. Rain's getting closer. Nothing in that pillow trap. So it goes, pillow trap in, and nothing again. Yep, nothing in there either. Okay. Oh, okay. So, I did see a crawfish on the outside of this. That's good. However, I need them to be on the inside. So that was the first crawfish I actually saw. He was crawling out here. These tubes might be a little small, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe these tubes are a little small, but I don't know. I feel like a crawfish should get in there, but we might need to expand them a little bit. But now is not the time to think about that. It's good to know there was crawfish over here by the cypress. Maybe I'll put my traps back there. But that's it for today. Whew, you heard that. It's time to get going. Well, that's going to do it for another home movie. This was quite the adventure yesterday and today. Be kind. Please rewind. We hope that this video gives you the confidence to go out there and try this kind of adventure with your own family. But if you do, be safe. If Ryder were here, I'd ask him anything else to add, and he'd probably say, you should bring a kid fishing. See you next time.
Sound of Fun Fishing. Subscribe, please.